Hello, everybody. This is just a quick video to show you how to participate in Thorstarter IDO. So here we have a sample Dutch auction IDO that's about to start in 1 minute. And I'm going to just pause here and come back once it's started. Here we are. So the IDO is currently ongoing. There's 3 minutes left. It seems like somebody else already contributed $300. I'm going to put 500 xRune in it. And all I have to do is click this deposit button. There's one transaction, no need for approvals here. And as soon as this confirms, I should have a certain amount of xRune deposited. If I go over the max, it'll just cap me at however many tokens are left or available at this current price. And I'll see how many tokens I'm owed. Now, here we go. So I can't participate again. And it seems like 800 is committed, and once the sale ends, we'll come back and you'll see how you can claim the tokens. Here we are. The sale just ended. So here you can see that I deposited 500 xRune and I'm owed 12,500, and all I have to do to collect them, and now it's available, is to click on this button and confirm this one transaction. That shouldn't be too costly. And when that goes through, I should be in possession of the project token. That's all there is to it.